Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Licini Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Licini Auto Robotic Vacuums, multiple cleaning modes, super quiet mini cleaning robot. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. It has intelligent anti-collision and front soft bumper protection furniture. Anti-dropping sensors prevent the robot vacuum cleaner from falling off the stairs. Smart Vacuum Robot Cleaner supports 4 clean modes including 1 AUTO clean, 2 spot clean, 3 edge cleaning and 4 maximum cleaning mode function. Freely switch between different modes and power levels as you want. Robot vacuum cleaner powered by a strong digital motor. The robot vacuum cleaner features strong suction power and a unique inlet design which does not clog with a pet's hair like other robot vacuums with a rotating brush. The robotic vacuum cleaner with a 9.0-inch diameter and unibody design, the robot vacuum cleaner slides under and around the bed, sofa, and other furniture for a thoroughly clean with high coverage and ultra-low failure rate. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.